you.
Hi baby gals! Welcome back to another video. So today, gagawa ko na review about this Bello Sun Expert Perfecting Shield Tinted Sunscreen. Medyo mahaba yung pangalan niya, pero it looks like this. Naka-focus ba siya? Ayun! Back! Basahin natin yung mga nakasulat dito. Sabi dito, Tone Adapt Technology. So it will adapt to your skin tone. And yung shade nito is medium to deep. Ito lang naman yung nakita ko dun. Wala silang light to medium. So, baka ito lang. It says here that it has SPF 50 PA++++. Apat na plus. Labanan ng plus best. And it says here, broad spectrum UVA/UVB protection. Ano ba nakasulat sa likod? Ang dami nakasulat. Get superior sun protection plus that flawless no makeup look every day. Use alone for wala akong eyeglasses kaya medyo mahirap siyang basahin. Use alone for instant perfecting coverage or layer under your favorite foundation or powder. So I'm just gonna use powder kasi wala akong dalang foundation. Andito pala ako sa bahay ng parents ko, guys, kaya iba yung setting. Pasensya, it's a little messy and nandito ako sa labas kasi maingay sa loob. Tapos wala akong lugar na mapag-filman. Okay. It says maingay naman yung motor. Nakakaloka. Paano tayo mag-film nito? Hindi pala to sa akin. Sa ate ko to. Nakita ko meron siya nito. And since may mga nagre-request na i-review ko to, so here you go. Hindi ko siya binili kasi nung tinry ko siya, hindi siya masyadong packed yung coverage. And you know I have a lot of acne marks to cover. So, oh yeah, by the way, yung price nito is 449 pesos yata. I hope I'm right. Ano ba yan? Magre-review walang salamin. Kuha muna ako ng salamin. Ay, hinihingal ako. Had to run to get my mirror. Ay, kalimutan ko yung cellphone ko. How will I show you the time? Siguro mamaya na lang. So, I'm here sa aming kainan dito sa labas. Si Payan, medyo nag-iingay. Okay, so now, let's go to the part where we try this tinted sunscreen out on our face. I-shake muna natin, and then let's go ahead and try it out. Sana, meron siyang coverage para medyo matakpan naman yung aking mga acne scars kasi aalis nga kami ngayon. So, we can really test this out. By the way, I have oily skin and acne-prone skin. So, tignan natin. Ooh, okay lang din naman pala yung shade ng medium to deep. Pasensya na. I'm looking at my viewfinder and I'm a little sweaty right now. So, I'm sorry. By the way, wala akong nilagay na primer or anything on my face. Ano lang nilagay ko? Moisturizer. That's it. So, ayan, I've dotted it all over my face. And now, it's time to blend. And I'm just gonna use my fingertips to blend out this product. And it literally, bango. Parang amoy pabango siya. And, tumawa si Pai. And when I spread it out on my face, para lang siyang wala talaga. And it mixes with my sweat as well. Kaya parang ang weird niya. Grabe, super nipis lang pala nito. Pero tignan nyo, ang weird niya tignan sa face ko kasi medyo pinagpapawisan din ako. Anyway, itry na lang natin siyang gawing base for my powder. This is the powder I'm going to use. Tignan niyo yung outfit ni ate. Ano ba yan?
Okay.
Pangit!
Solo bang shirt. Tanahan ko. Ayaw ni hubo eh.
Kainit sa daan nga sa nina.
Init ba?
Ayan, so I've blended it out all over my face and it literally looks like I did not apply anything on my face. It has very, 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 very light coverage. So, I guess sunscreen lang talaga siya. At least meron akong SPF 50 sa aking face. Pero medyo mahal siya, no? 449 pesos. Tapos, wala lang siya nagawa. Siguro it can help my powder stay on my... Si Pai naglalaro sa sasakyan. Siguro it can help my powder like stay on my face longer and help like control the oil on my face. Tignan natin. Buti na lang talaga hindi ako bumili nito kasi parang madidisappoint talaga ako sa kanya kasi parang wala lang nangyari sa face ko. By the way, sa akin, okay yung shade na medium to deep. So, parang nag-a-adapt talaga siya sa skin tone mo. And then, sa ate ko rin, as you saw kanina, medyo morena siya. And, okay din yung shade na ito sa kanya. So, I guess it's a one shade fits all kind of thing. Okay. Anyway, tatapusin ko muna yung the rest of my makeup. Tama ba yun? And then, I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, right now it feels very, 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 very light on my skin. Like, I don't feel like I have anything on my skin at all. It does feel a little sticky right now. So, siguro kailangan natin siyang iset with powder. And, hindi na ako mag-a-add ng another layer of this tinted sunscreen kasi alam ko naman na hindi siya mag-a-add ng coverage talaga. So, yeah. By the way, pasensya na sa akin sa amo. Kakatapos ko lang maligo and then minadali ko nang i-film ito kasi na-excite ako na meron si ate nito. Okay. So, tatapusin ko muna yung makeup ko, guys, and I'll be right back. Right, so andito ko sa loob. Medyo iba yung lighting. Pero, it's now 11:40 in the morning. And, mag-update ako sa inyo mamaya kung kailangan ka na mag-update. Okay, here's how my face looks like. Natapos ko na yung entire face of makeup ko. And, as you can see, very simple lang yung makeup look ko. And, aalis na kami. And then, yung medyo bago lang sa akin is when I was blending in my concealer, medyo parang may grip siya sa concealer ko. Nahirapan ako i-blend siya. Yun lang naman. Everything else worked completely normal. Time check, 3:30 PM na. Magpo 4 hours na. Okay pa rin naman. Parang nakatulong siya para mag-stay talaga yung powder ko on my face. Para may kapitan yung powder. Pero nagmarka yung aking eyeglasses. Hi baby girls! Ayan, mag-last update tayo. It's 8:31 PM. Ilang oras na to nasa face ko? A long time. Like over 8 hours na. Pero, in fairness, okay pa rin yung face ko. Hindi ako ganun ka-oily kahit na nag-powder lang ako. Tapos, yun lang talaga yung nilagay ko sa face ko, yung Bello na tinted sunscreen. I think it's okay. Parang okay siya para sa akin. Here, we have better lighting. Okay na okay siya in fairness. Hindi siya malagkit sa feeling at all. Kahit na it's been like a lot of hours later. And your skin gets protected. You get a little bit, a tinge of color on your skin. For me, I don't really like it because wala siya masyadong coverage. Pero, just for like the SPF and for it being a good base for my makeup, nagustuhan ko siya, in fairness. Bongga. So yun, if you're just looking for a nice base or sunscreen for everyday, okay itong product na to. I can recommend. I like it. Aalis na kami actually. May pupuntahan kami. So, yun. I'm sorry I need to cut this review short. Parang, medyo hindi siya professional but I'm so sorry. Pero, sana maintindihan nyo. So yeah, that's it, baby girls. Thank you so much for watching today's video and I hope to see you in the next one tomorrow. Bye!